dreaming because this is what used to happen actually there. Hello, Kuki people.
Yeah.
Welcome back, everyone. Sepai Kalem Uve. Kuki people. So tell them something.
Yo, what's up, my people? Nadam Namo. Is your boy Muhib. I'm here with my boss.
Gabs Gabi. So today I'm here with Mohib, my younger brother, guys, from the same country. It's gonna be his first time to watch Kuki video, guys. So basically, Kuki.
I'm curious to know about these people.
You are going to know it today. Kuki is a tribe from Manipur, and they speak Kuki language.
In which location exactly?
Exactly within the state of Manipur, but now they are asking for their own administration. They want to be having Kukiland. They want to preserve their own land. They don't want to be called like Manipur. That is the only problem going on between the Kuki and Meitei. So today they suggested one video by the title Nam Sepai Hinkho Kuki-Official music video. So let's check it out, guys. Thank you so much for your support, and let's go.
Let's jump right in.
So this is their army.
They work like that.
They made their own army or take their own. Because it's like civil war. Massacre
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your.
So that was only trailer. Sit back and relax. Like I'm watching short film. So the beginning. The intro was nice, guys. It's like a short movie, but it's a music video only. Tell us, guys, what does it mean by Nam Sepai Hinkho? Dreaming. Because this is what used to happen actually there. You will think the opponent will go to your home. They will give your family like that. It was just a dream. And this is a true dream, it used to happen.
Guys, what I've understood, the guy is a soldier. Normally, when you are a soldier, you have to sacrifice your family, you have to sacrifice your home. You understand? So you'll be going out. So the guy was like, he was saying goodbye to his kids, to his family, to his wife, and he went there. And when he was about to go there, about to reach, they arrested him. So the guys, he joined the army, he fight, and he was dreaming that he lost his family. The thing is, there is a message from what I have seen. You understand? And finally, there is hope. He meet his family, and I like happening ending, to be honest. So this thing is meaningful. Is breathtaking, to be honest. So guys, he did well.
Yeah, just as he said, right? So this is it, guys. It's so nice. It's good. It's inspiring and also emotional music video at the same time. So basically, like what used to happen there in their place, like even the people, the citizen used to go and volunteer to be the army. You have to become army so that you protect your land,
Protect
your own land.
your home, your country.
Yeah, and meanwhile you are with the army, you will be worrying about your family, right?
Because people
Yeah.
they will attack your family.
Yeah,
If
because-
they cannot attack you, don't attack your family.
Exactly. So this is what is happening. It's a nice music video. You can tell us what does it mean by
Now
Nam's
I've
Sepai.
understood everything just by watching.
Yeah, it was so clear, guys. He left the family in the beginning, but he came back. The coming back or the ending was so beautiful. Everyone met the family, guys. I salute you all, and we hope that all those people from Kuki who volunteered to be the soldiers, may they all not lose in the battle, guys. May they all come back safely, because this is based on a true story. Actually, people are going to fight, guys. So they used to go. Some people will return, some people will not return. So our prayers with you guys. Love from Africa. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time.